Here you will see a demonstration of the removal and replacement of various types of expansion cards. Notice the use of an anti-static wrist strap to reduce the risk of damage to components. This case uses a single plate to support all expansion cards in place. Other style cases use a separate screw to hold each card in place. Here we see the PCI card being removed. Grasp the card and pull straight out with even force on both ends. Notice the white PCI slots. To replace the card, line up the card evenly on the slot and press the card all the way onto the slot until it is fully seated. Now we see the video card being removed from the AGP slot. Notice the position and color in relation to the PCI slots. The video card is replaced in the AGP slot by lining the card up with the AGP slot and pressing it firmly and evenly until it is seated all the way into the slot. As you can see here, the ISA slot is usually black in color. Grasp the ISA card at both ends and pull the card straight out to remove. This last expansion card is an ISA card. Often there will not be an ISA slot on the motherboard. To reinstall the card into the ISA slot, reverse the removal procedure, making sure it is seated completely into the slot. Next, replace the screws, or in this case, the slot retaining plate, to hold the card securely in place.